Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a topic regarding Google Ads bidding strategies. I know that choosing a right bidding strategy is very important for your campaign. And in this campaign, I will be talking about different bidding strategies of Google Ads, or you can also call Google AdWords. Impact of bidding strategies on campaign. Okay, I have seen various cases because I have been in this field for like around 80 to 20 years, and in my career, I have seen that impact does play a very huge role. For instance, there was a scenario when the client was using manual CPC and suddenly shift to maximize conversions, and the conversion suddenly dropped. So the whole campaign also, like just like quality score, bidding strategy is also a very important factor of a good Google Ads campaign. And so let's get started on different Google Ads bidding strategies with me. So I'm going to show you a sample account. This is one of the sample account in Google Ads. So I will open a campaign and I will show you bidding strategies, and we can discuss on the benefits of each bidding strategy and how it can impact, or how it can play a huge role in optimization of the campaign and different strategies. So here I am in the settings in the campaign. Let's get it loaded so I can show you the few of the common strategies which people use while running their Google Ads campaign, and what are the cons of each strategy, what are the pros of each strategy, and how it can impact your business, and how it can impact your Google Ads sales results and conversions. So I will be doing a step by step on this over here. Okay, so this is we are in the settings. Let me scroll below, and you can see that this account is currently using uh, maximize clicks, and they are also suggesting us to try smart bidding to optimize campaign. Okay, smart bidding can be a good option as well, but my suggestion is always is do not openly follow the suggestions which Google gives you, and each suggestion may have a different impacts for you. So again, not everything works with every account. For instance, this is another account, and here we are using a different strategy. So it may here, like we are using maximize clicks. On this account we are using maximize conversions. So I'm just giving you an example on how it may impact, and how it varies from campaign type to campaign type. So I will also show you few of the campaign strategies, and I will also show you good times as well. For instance, by default, let's move on to the click strategy. In the clicks, we have different strategies available over here. For instance, the manual CPC. In the manual CPC, you can set your own maximum click for each individual keywords. You can have your own pricing set. There is no ideal target goal with that, but just it's just you are adding a manual CPC. It's a very basic campaign setup, and it's only for advanced people. I do not recommend as a newbie to set a manual CPC, because we as a professional feels that manual CPC works well when you want to gather different ad positions for different keywords, or the intent of the keyword and how it impacts your campaign type. So that also plays a huge role. But by principle, manual CPC is you can set your own maximum CPC clicks for your own ads. The second is maximize clicks. In the maximize clicks, this is an automated bidding strategy where the Google focus is to get as much as clicks as possible on your campaign. Ideally, maximize clicks strategy is good in starting of a campaign, new campaigns when you need to gather data, or if it's a branding campaign where do you want as much visits as possible. In those scenarios, maximize clicks is a very good strategy. But in a long run, when you want more conversions, not a good. We have to make shift to maximize conversions or other strategies later on. The second strategy is maximize conversions. Ideally recommended when we have got few conversions on our Google Ads account, then we can shift on to the maximize conversions. Here the goal is to gather, as the word says, as much conversions as possible. But for that we needed data, and ideally the prime time to run maximize conversions is like after 2 to 3 weeks of running on maximize clicks or manual CPC with few conversions, then we can offer this one. And the third is maximize conversion value. Now here we assign a conversion value that we are looking for a specific conversion value. Ideally, you can run at on a third tier. When you got some conversions on maximize conversion, then you can offer maximize conversion value, where you suggest to Google that I am looking for leads at this specific budget. Otherwise, it's not profitable for me to run the campaign. You define the value to the Google. Again, it's not suitable and ideal for people unless and until you have a professional company involved, which manage your campaigns and which look around for your day-to-day optimization factors. Otherwise, I do not recommend running a maximize conversion value. Next is target impression share. Now in target impression share, there are two more for this category. So let me open you. Okay, what happens in target impression share is that you focus on getting certain impressions of each query. Now here you get a further option of you show your ad anywhere on result page, top of result page, or absolute top of result page. Now here I believe that the ad position also plays a huge role while deciding a good campaign. So here they are, Google is asking you, do you want to show your ad on anywhere on the page, or like if you want to just show your ad on top or absolute top, otherwise you do not want to show your ad. So for that, ad location is very good. For instance, I just want my ad to be shown on absolute top of result page. And now percentage of impression share to target. For instance, if there are 100 queries happening in a day for that keyword, I want to target 80% of those queries. I can select it over here. The next is maximum CPC bid limit. The maximum CPC bid limit I'm gonna assign. Or I can also create a portfolio strategy. What happens with the portfolio strategy is I can use one strategy on other campaigns as well. So this is target impression share. Now back to previous bidding options we have. Okay, here I have told you about maximum impression share, I have told you about clicks, I have told you about conversions, I have also told you about conversions value. Okay, with conversions you also set your target CPC, like I told you, for conversion value that we can set as something like, okay, but actually those CPC ACP, if you ask me, is possible or not, is always not possible that you are going to get those. Again, it may hugely impacted by your quality score of the campaign, how what is your CTR, and how you are looking around in your competitors, and how often and frequent you are optimizing your campaign. That also plays a huge role while deciding your target CPA. So I hope that I have explained in detail regarding different bidding strategies for Google Ads. Now, if you ask me, again, it varies from the goal to goal. What goal you have? Do you want more leads? Do you want more form submissions? Do you want to sell more ebooks? Do you want more people to sign up? Do you want to sell online? Do you want to drive visitors to your offline store? Do you want more calls? Do you want more visits? Do you want to run a branding campaign? Again, there are so many factors which you have to decide while running a campaign, and your bidding strategy may definitely have a strong influence on the success of your Google Ads campaign. So, but if you ask me what are the best bidding strategies, so my opinion, I would say that manual CPC is a very good. We have used it and it has given us good results. My maximize clicks is also good. Uh, you know, uh, Again, for a short period of time, not for a long term. Maximize conversions is one of the best one you can use as a long term, but again, after getting some data on either manual CPC or either with a maximize clicks, you can run. We have run manual CPC for longer periods of time as well, and that also has worked very well. Also, impression share, target impression share is also, we have seen clients impacting sale differences with the target impression share. We have where we have put 80% or even 100% of the budget to show either on that anywhere on the first page or on absolute top of the page or top of the page, and we have seen that that has impacted on our conversions. Even with everything optimized, maybe we also thought that the ad position also plays a role in success of your sales, like your sales may be impacted due to this strategy. So we consider that strategy also as a part of the success or failure of your Google Ads campaign. So that target impression share is also good, but there is an important thing with target impression share is that once you assign your target impression share for the first time, it may take up to 48 hours before your campaign starts running. So with the target impression share, it may take time, and your campaign will go in a review and it will, you have to be patient with this. So ideally, if you are running on Monday to Friday campaign, it's a best that you, when you are turning off your campaign on Friday, you can shift to impression share, so that by Monday you can have it on running. So these are my recommendations. I hope you like it. In case if you are looking for Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Bing Ad services, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description, and we're going to work with you, and we can help you sort it out and making a perfect campaign for you. And I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.